National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 1:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Several inches of rain are expected through the afternoon. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Sinking Spring, Laureldale, Wilmenforth, Wernersville, Topton, and Robisonia. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 298. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 45. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.